Sometimes I ask myself if this reality show of Nandi and the husband is it edited, or is it real, like isn't real, like the one that we always watch? Yaka the Ranakas. That one is not edited. They even say it that that one is not edited. So I just sometimes wonder if this one is edited or not, because to me it doesn't seem like it's edited. It seems so real. It seems very real the way things are happening, guys. Sometimes when the relationship or the marriage it doesn't work, it's better people part ways than to be together and damage each other and damage children. Nandi and the husband, they should part ways, guys. They should part ways, to be honest enough, because I don't see anything that is keeping them together. They are damaging each other on a daily basis. I don't even want to talk about the kids. I don't even want to talk about the immediate family. It's fight over fight over fight. Everybody's fighting. Everybody is fighting. Nandi's fighting the family of the husband. Now they come to the house. Now it's competition. Nandi's breaking plates. Nandi's fighting. Guys, what kind of life is this? Just like that kind of life, it's chaotic. I don't want to lie. It's really chaotic and it strips them of dignity on a serious note. The way things are going. Now is Nandi's dad wants to beat the Nandi's husband. Guys, really? You know, sometimes they really have to part ways and parent from a distance, like as in be parents, but be parents from a distance, you know? Co-parenting, that's a word that I want. They should co-parent, because this thing of them trying to be together, it's something else. Even the people who are around them as in friends and all that, they are wondering as to why are you people still together? Why are you people still together? You're gonna end up killing each other. If Nandi can break a plate like that, what if he breaks that plate on top of somebody else's head? Because and all these fights they are happening in front of the kids. Ah man, guys. Those kids are so precious and beautiful and handsome. I mean, for all this thing to be happening in front of them in the name of my mom and dad are together, we know that things has killed a lot of people. That I want my children to have a father. I want the children to bring up my children with a mother and the father in the same house. That thing is the one that damaged a lot of people. People are going for therapy these days when they are old because of that nonsense. Bringing up kids, you say, I want a complete family. You rather bring up your kids alone or separately and in a healthy environment than what we see there. No, guys. It really affects a person who watches it. Just imagine if you are in that house. And Nandi doesn't care. She does not care. Now, your husband moves out of the house to go. Now, according to me, to be honest, the husband maybe was tired of all these fights and all that. To move, it was not a moving as in, I'm leaving my family, as in, I don't want them anymore. But sometimes you get tired. You really get tired. Now, Nandi, just in that short space of time, already got a boyfriend, already tattooed the boyfriend's name on the hand, and the husband should live with it. Yo, awa. Guys, now I'm speechless. As for Nandi's marriage, I'm speechless. I'm really speechless. Yeah, guys, what can we say? This is life. Life doesn't have a formula. Life is just like that. For some people, it runs smooth. For some people, it's so rocky. Hey, man. Yo. Guys, let's meet on the other video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And let's take it from there. Bye.